Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Birchbox unboxing. This is for January 2020 and I'm loving these little slide out boxes. Those are really cool. So we have a card on the inside. It's easier to prevent dry skin than to fix it. So there's always a tip on there. Then on the back, all my products, their retail values and some more information. Sometimes promo codes and all sorts of fun stuff. So, the first product is Dr. Lip Original Nipple Balm for dry skin, luscious lips, and glossy bits. Well, that's interesting. It says it's 100% natural, multi-award winning balm. Famous for its long-lasting moisturizer. One product with 100 uses. Interesting. Definitely have dry skin, so we'll check that out. Next up, we have Straightaway Smoothing Blowout Cream. I like the packaging, but it's kind of hard to read unless you look at it from an angle because it's super reflective. But I can always use hair products, and I do straighten it sometimes, so that will come in handy eventually. Also have Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture Priming Leave-In Conditioner. Detangles and primes fine and dry hair. Again, love my hair products. Then we also have from Marcel Curling and Lengthening Mascara. And then the last item is Revitalizing Eye Gel. Very cool. So all products I will probably use, so that's neat. They did, a while ago, increase their price for Birchbox. This box seems a little small, but in the past I've gotten some really great items, so I just keep ordering that, and Ipsy. So if you're new to my channel, please like this video and subscribe. And if you want to join Birchbox, I do have a promo code below, or a little referral link that you can use if you'd like. And thank you so much for watching. Bye guys!